Hello, modders. I wanted to go ahead and make a short tutorial to show how to make your part compatible with the player charge emitter skill buff thing, whatever. So all you have to do is create a socket. You can make it anywhere on the mesh. I normally just make it on the first bone. So you can select the first bone, right click, add socket, and then you'll need to rename the socket to look like this. And let me go ahead and show you exactly what all of that means. So the first thing is this has to be typed exactly, capitals and everything, GlowPartData, and then this little line, which is the button that's above enter after you hold shift. So there's like a backslash and then you hold shift and it's this line. And I will put an example in or I will put this text so you can also copy paste in the description. So GlowPartData, that's just the identifier, so that needs to be exactly the same. And then after the line, this right here is your parameter name. So let me kind of show you what I mean. So this is for the material. So you see like how this is kind of a bulb right here. Let's go to the material that it's using. And we are going to preview that. If we look up emissive, it may be something different depending on what your parameter is. But for this one, it's lantern emissive intensity. So you see if I turn that to 0, it goes off. If I put it to 5, it goes on. So that's the one we need. So what you can do is you can right click this and copy display name. And then when you go into your thing here, you would just like paste, and that's the parameter name. So anyways, so there's that, and then the next two numbers are the minimum and maximum value. So this is the value that it'll be when it's off, and it can be a float, so you can do like 0.5 if you so desire. And then this is the value when it's on. So you see it's 5 right here. It's going to be going between 0 and 5, so 0 off, 5 on. And then the next number here is the GlowColorRegion. So in the material as well, you will go to the GlowColorRegion, and as you can see, it's color 1. Yeah, I see I can change this, and that changes the color. So once you get that and say, okay, it's color 1, then you would put a 1 here. But say if it was using like color 5, you'd put a 5. If it's using color 0, you'd put 0. Whichever color is being used to color the emissive part. And then there you have it. So GlowPartData, there's your parameter name, minimum value, maximum value, and the color region index. Once you have all of that written out like this, you will just copy and paste that as a socket into your thing, I guess, into your skeletal mesh. One thing is that you should know is that the socket is actually added to the skeleton, not like the mesh. So you will need to remember to actually save your skeleton to make sure the socket stays there. And you might need to make a unique skeleton if multiple parts, some that glow, some that aren't, use the same skeleton. But yeah, that should mostly be it. And then once you get in game, and you get a player to have let's see, have the part that does the thing. This one here, charge light. I haven't set it up fully, but once they have the charge light ability, then the charge light ability should now be able to read your part, and you'll be able to tell by if you put your part by default to where the glow is on, which you should, like in the material, then you'll be able to tell because the glow will be off. And you see all my parts are glow off, and then when I activate the ability, it makes all of those parts glow. And that also allows the player to go into their ability settings and change the pull color from part index. This is the only solid way I could figure how to do this. So basically in the background, it makes a list of an alphabetical list of all the parts that the player currently has that are glow parts, and it puts them in an index. So you can get like 0, let's see, 1. Looks like 0 is the bulb dog thing, and then 1 is probably the featherlight. 2, I don't know, maybe these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are probably actually the glow tail arm things, because those are all different ones. Then 7 is the Shinehorn horns, but that'll be different for every player. Yeah. So that is that.